Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the freezer shroud in this LG refrigerator, you will need zip ties, a utility knife, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a number 2 Phillips bit. Be sure to unplug the appliance before working with any electrical components. Fully extend out the top freezer tray by lifting the front, then pull out the ice container. Next, pull and lift out the freezer tray. Lift the bottom freezer drawer out from the rear. Use the jeweler's screwdriver to depress the tab on the drawer gear and pull up to detach it from the slide rail. Pull the bar away from the other gear. Loosen and remove the 2 Phillips screws securing the freezer door and lift it up and out to remove it. Remove the 2 screws on the ice maker. Use the flathead screwdriver to release the tabs and pull it down, sliding it forward at the same time. Unplug the wire harness and remove the ice maker. Unsnap the evaporator cover. Unplug the temperature sensor and the evaporator fan. Pull off the evaporator fan blade. Unscrew the 2 Phillips head screws on the support bracket and remove the bracket. Pull up the freezer fan motor and remove the rear motor support. Cut the zip ties around the collected wires and remove the freezer fan motor, placing the rear motor support to the side. Remove the 3 Phillips screws supporting the freezer shroud to the evaporator cover and remove the shroud. To install the new freezer shroud, line the edges of the shroud with the insulating tape of the old shroud. Mount the shroud onto the evaporator cover and secure it with the 3 screws. Place the rear support and set in the fan motor. Collect the wires and zip tie them to the freezer shroud. Leave at least 12 inches of slack to plug in the motor. Slide the bracket over the motor shaft, then thread and tighten the 2 screws to secure it. Press the blade onto the shaft of the motor. Plug in the evaporator and temperature sensor. Position and snap the evaporator cover into place. Plug in the wire harness for the ice maker. Slide the back of the ice maker into place and push up to snap in the tabs. Thread and tighten the 2 screws to secure the ice maker. Set the freezer door by hooking the connector rails to the sliders. Screw in the 2 Phillips head screws to secure the door. Insert the bar into the set gear and snap the gear on the other end into its slot within the slide rail. This can be difficult to align. Place the drawer back inside the freezer. Slide the tray back into the guide rails. Then insert the ice container. Plug in the appliance. The LG refrigerator should now be ready for use.